Algebraic expression. If x equals to 3, y equals to 4 and z equals to 5, what is the value of, we can write this one, 9x square plus 16y square plus 4z square minus 24xy minus 16yz and plus 12zx. Look, we know a algebraic expression identities, which is a plus b plus c whole square. It means a square plus b square plus c square, then plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So if we want to make similar, that case, first a square, it means 3x square, we can write this one, plus this one is 16y square, but here is a problem. Look, our target to make everything is plus, but here is xy become minus and yz also become minus, but when the relation with z and x, it's become plus. So this case we can write minus 4y square. So minus square, it means minus 1 square is a plus, 4 square means 16, y square means y square. Everything is now normal. Plus 4z square, we can write 2z square. So here is minus, but our target to make this one is plus. So plus, here is xy, it means x means 3x and then y means minus 4y. Now look, 2 times 3 is a 6, 6 times 4 is 24, plus and minus, it will be minus, and x times y is a xy. Okay, now plus yz, it means 2 times y means here is a 4y times z, here is 2z. Now look, 2 times 4 is a 8, 8 times 2 is a 16, and here plus and minus, it will be minus, and then yz plus 2 times z means here is a 2z times x means here is a 3x. So 2 times 2 is a 4, 4 times 3 is a 12, right? Now look, and whole thing we can write a plus b plus c whole square. It means 3x plus minus 4y plus 2z whole square. Okay, now 3 times x means already mentioned, which is 3 plus and minus, it will be minus, then 4 times y means 4 plus 2 times z means 5 and whole square. We can write, given x equals to 2, y equals to 3 and z equals to what? X equals to what? 3, sorry, here is a 3 and y equals to 4 and z equals to 5. Now once we multiply, 3 times 3 is a 9, 4 times 4 is a 16, so minus 16 plus 2 times 5 is a 10. Now 10 plus 9 is a 19, minus 16 square, it means 19 minus 16, it will be 3 square, and finally 9. Very simple. So number 12 done. Number 13, express a plus 2b times 3a plus 2c as the difference of two squares. So what is the meaning of two squares? Difference of two square. Here is a 1 square and another one, b square is another square. So once we make subtraction, in between it is the difference of two square. So this one, the best example to make this one, like a plus 2b equals to x and 3a plus 2c equals to y. So we know a theory which is xy, it will be x plus y by 2 whole square minus x minus y divided 2 whole square. And look, this is also a difference of 2 square. So now just we put the value, like x means a plus 2b plus y means 3a plus 2c divide 2 whole square minus, here x means similar a plus 2b minus, so y means 3a plus 2c divide 2 square. Now a plus 3a is the 4a plus 2b plus 2c divide 2 and then square minus. Same thing in here, here is a plus 2b minus 3a minus 2c divide 2 square. Now we can take common 2, so 2a plus b plus c by 2 square minus a minus 3a, it's a minus 2a, so first we can write 2b minus 2a minus 2c divide 2 and then square. And finally look, 2 and 2 we can divide, it will be 1, so here is 2a plus b plus c whole square minus, here we can take common 2, so 2, so b minus a minus c by 2 and here square. This 2 and 2 out, our final answer is 2a plus b plus c whole square minus b minus a minus c whole square. Very simple. So number 13 done. Number 14, similar, express x square plus 10x plus 24 as the difference of 2 square. So one of the best way to solve this one, like this one we can write x square, and if we want to make 10x we can write 2 times x times 5. It means this is a square plus 2ab, it means this is b. So then b square, it means 5 square. So 5 square means 25, but here is 24, so we have to deduct 1. Okay, so against this one we can write x plus 5 whole square, and against minus 1 we can write 1 square, and it's a difference between the difference of 2 square. Very simple, and this is a answer. Number 15, and it's the last math of this chapter. So here is mentioned a to the power 4, or we can write given a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4 equals to 8, and a square plus ab plus b square equals to 4. So first, number 1 we have to find out. Number 1, here a to the power 4 plus a square b square plus b to the power 4 equals to 8. So if we want to make this one a formula, we can write a square then a square plus 2 times, then a means a square times b means b square plus b square square. But here is a 2a square times b square, but here is a square and b square. So we can write minus a square b square equals to 8. Against this one we can write a square plus b square square minus a square b square equals to 8. Now look, it's a looking a square minus b square, so we can write a square plus b square plus ab and a square plus b square minus ab equals to 8. And finally look, here is also mentioned a square plus ab plus b square equals to 4. So this one is a 4 and here is a square plus b square minus ab equals to 8. Now we can divide both sides by 4. So a square plus b square minus ab equals to 8 divided 4 is a 2. Okay, but we are not getting our result. So this one, it means a square plus ab plus b square we can make equation 1, and this one we can make equation 2. So if we make summation equation 1 plus equation 2, it means a square plus b square plus ab equals to 8, right? A square plus ab plus b square equals to 4, sorry, not 8, it's a 4. And here is a square plus b square minus ab equals to 2. Once you make summation, so plus ab and minus ab out, so 2a square plus 2b square equals to 4 plus 2 is a 6. Now we can take common 2, so a square plus b square equals to 6, and now we can divide both sides by 2. So a square plus b square equals to 6 divided 2 is a 3. So this is our first answer. So a square plus b square equals to 3. Now we will find out ab. So this a square plus b square, if you put any equation we will get ab. Like in equation 1, we put a square plus b square equals to, here we get 3. So here is a square plus b square plus ab equals to 4. A square plus b square means 3, so here is a 3 plus ab equals to 4, and then ab equals to this one, subtract both sides by 3, so 4 minus 3, and finally we get 1. And this is our result. So it's a very simple thing. I hope you clear everything. If you have any question, please write a line in the comment section. My channel name is MathJip. You will get lots of things from this channel, and this channel is ideal for class 9, 10, SSC, CBSC, IGCSE, which is very important for around the world. So no more today. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.